Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
You didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road.
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello.
Right there, in the hood, right there.
Here we go, everyone! La, 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 la.
I'm gonna make you scream!
Just don't hurt me. A parking boot? Why do I have a parking boot on? What are you...
You know, I asked my uncle once how I'd know when it was time to stop. You know what he said?
Mater, let's go! You're on!
My friend Guido, he dreamed to get a real race car. A pit stop.
You stop?
The king and chick rounding turn 4.
Let's all get home safely.
You be careful too, Polly.
Will do.
Quit, huh?
Jabella.
I thought you were supposed to be making me a disguise.
Voice recognized. Disguise program initiated.
I don't care. Lightning, now that you're retired, I need you first thing Monday morning for a photo.
It's attached to me. Hey, I know you. You're that fella fish myself.
Finn McMissile.
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
Here it is.
Bonita música.
Just me and the old man, fellas.
The queen just doesn't have it today.
Sterling,
Why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Over here! Trooper responding. Where's Mater? Right? Put it in reverse now. Make room for Mater.
Hou op met hikken, soldaat. Dit is een bevel.
Here, I'm gonna blow a gasket or something. Serpentine! Serpentine! Serpentine!
And they're all expecting me.
Maybe this time you will.
It's going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
I can't stop!
Let's go!
Machine Dragon Fireball!
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste. Sí.
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man.
Is right here.
Go worry, Mama. McQueen is...
It is very, very good to be here. Now listen to me. Big oil. It costs a fortune. Pollution is getting worse. I mean, come on.
About something to drink. Stop at Flo's V8 Cafe. Finest fuel on Route 66.
Now, we...
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot Todoroki.
Sheriff, why don't you go get yourself a quart of oil that flows? I'll keep an eye on him.
Microscopic examination, I have found that it has one small weakness. When hit with an electromagnetic...
Con questi bolloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano.
What's he saying? What's wrong? No.
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run.